Shorts 10, we learned all about the different currencies in the world and the money they use. Today, we are going to learn how to do a budget. A budget is all about money coming in and money going out. Money coming in, like for example your pocket money, makes your balance more. Therefore, the money in your pot, your piggy bank, or bank account, or wallet. Money going out means things you spend when you take money out of your piggy bank or your wallet to buy things like toys and other stuff. The trick is to make sure that the money going in is always more than the money going out. Because when you have the situation where your money going out is more than the money coming in, you either have to borrow money, which is not a good idea, or you have to make a plan, like getting more money, making more money, or having less expenses, cutting your expense budget, making the things you have to pay going out less. Let's look at the things that can go out of your account or wallet or piggy bank. Here are a few examples. Gifts, toys, snacks, and so on. You have to make a list of everything that goes out, stuff you have to pay. Then you write down more or less what those things will cost you. And then you add it all together to get a total of your expenses, things going out, money you have to spend. Now let's look at money coming in. Things like your pocket money or birthday money, you have to make a list of all the money you receive and then add it all up to calculate how much you have coming in. Once you know that amount, you take the in amount, you deduct the out amount, and then you'll know what is left. The money that is left is the money you have to save. And we will talk about all your different savings options over the next few money shorts. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss the next one.